Ulwandle lo cause uLwandle lied to her mom ukuthi kunomuzi makhelwane bayathakatha laphana cause uLwandle ebenomngani ohlala kulowo muzi and then they fought when they were 12 and then wacasuka wayoqamba amanga kuma wakhe ukuthi bayathakatha kuloya muzi uma wakhe uyayigulela wathi babo wathi ngababona ebusuku ngithi ngiyochama ngitshelwa mina u-uncle izolo and then uma wakhe wababiza like yaba invite and then inside they chopped them dead in front of her. She started ingakuthiwa yena waqala, she started the whole thing. So izolo mangikuma this friend of mine wait hambo like this person othi imbophisi usisi wakhe lo uMluzana uthi hamba umbophisa lo muntu lo
the anonymous
yeah usisi wakhe usisi wathi wena mfethu you were like
hi guys, I am Alia Fuze. Since there is already a podcast done about me claiming to be exposing me, apparently, I would love to come clean about the whole situation and I don't know, happening or something. Those screenshots that went around are not AI generated, but they are fake. I can confirm that they are fake. Those screenshots were, what can I say? Were created by me, but not with AI. A fake screenshot can be generated through an app called Funstagram, but it is a sellout because if a person is clever, they can see that it's fake. And if you don't know how to edit Funstagram, you can be fooled. And most people were fooled. Back to how can I create screenshots? It's easy to create a fake screenshot through Funstagram. It doesn't even take 10 minutes if you really know Funstagram. And if you know where to like hide all the key points that make the screenshot fake, that proves that the screenshot is fake. Funstagram is an app that pretends to be Instagram. Please forgive my pronunciation when it comes to the gram part. I have a problem with pronunciation with words that involve like GR, TR and everything. Back to why those screenshots were created. Obuhle, that some people claim ukuthi uyimi. She's not me. I am not Buhle. Buhle is a friend of mine. I will be revealing Ubuhle and her baby. Ubuhle has a 1-year-old and a few months old child. Like angazi noma ngizothi inabo 16, 18 months. So Ubuhle has a baby. And with Ubuhle having a baby, Ubuhle, her baby is a one-night stand. Her baby is a one-night stand from a guy named Calvin. It was on this certain day, me and Ubuhle, we were out, back then. I was like 15 and she was 16. She's now 18 and I'm 17. Ubuhle had this one-night stand with two guys. Abandawonye uNkosini noCalvin kwenye iBNB nje lapha eMzinyathi sasiyikhiphile and we met these guys. It was like close to being her birthday in November. Siyikhiphile ukuthi let's go book. We met these guys. Ubuhle decided to sleep with them. Okay babesifuna bowu-2 but then I was a virgin so no. Kwenzeka kanjalo and Ubuhle kwathi boma December Ubuhle told me that she was pregnant. And at first, wathi ukhulelele ubaba boyfriend yakhe uChico and everything. And I asked her, are you sure? Because you literally had sex without condomizing. I mean, girl, we get taught about that at school every day. Like, literally anyone could be the father. Okay. And loco, we had a fallout. I don't know why uChico, but that doesn't matter now because obviously she's going to see now he's not the father. We had a fallout the whole of 2024, singakhulumi, whole of 2025, singakhulumi until it was November 9, 2025. Here Buhle coming to me and be like, I need your help with my son. I'm like, you need my help with your son? What do you need from me? And Ubuhle says, Uchico is being difficult with paying child maintenance and everything, and there's someone I want to pin my pregnancy on. Okay, I'm like, okay, since really I've been painted as evil, fine, I'm natural evil. I'm like, okay, girl, who? And to my biggest shock, that girl is saying, oh, wise man, I ain't gay. That wise man on my feet, are you like for real? You will be like, no, man, are you like for real? The wise man on my feet. And she was like, yes. I'm like, okay, let's say I agree. what do you need my help with? And she was like, I need you to generate a real screenshot. Yes, I can generate a screenshot, like a conversation young and Bella, but it's very, very difficult because kufanele ngazi ukuthi umnikazi we-account uyaconnecta yini kwi-Wi-Fi and kwenzeka kanjani yabo zonke lezo zinto. Ngidinga nje umuntu okufanele connecte kwi-Wi-Fi and it's very difficult if lowo muntu ezoba seGoli because kunzima ukuthola icode yokuthi icode ye-Wi-Fi network kahle kahle yaseGoli. So it's so annoying ukuhacka umuntu ongamazi nanokuthi uyaconnecta yini kwi-Wi-Fi. So ukwenza like a real screenshot is very, very annoying. But I was like, okay, a fake one will be good and it will be a sellout because obviously ukhona umuntu ohlakaniphile ozoyibona lento. Yes, no offense, most people are naive. Bakholwa yonke into abayizwayo ngumuntu, yonke into abayibonayo which they think is proof. Sometimes not everything you see is real. I'm like, okay, you know, I'm a fan of this guy, but like, give me one reason to like help you with everything. And she was like, if you don't help me, I'm gonna expose Uguti when you are married and you and your whole family, our other friends don't know that I'm the only person who knows that, so you're gonna help me and everything. And if people find out about that, obviously production yako lento tuyayiqala ngokwenzela ama-film productions izophela. Like izophela totally. And would do mina njengomuntu onganabazali nani. Obviously I had to think about myself. I was gonna think about myself. So umuntu ngisho ngathiwa I am evil, ngisho abantu bengathini, I had to think about myself. I had to do it. So I'm like, okay, fine. I'm gonna do the screenshots for you, but okay, people believe it, fine. Then how are you like gonna pin ingane again? And she was like, I'll get to the DNA testing when I reach there. Obviously, there is someone who's going to agree to like fake the test. I'm like, okay, Mina, I can help you from making the screenshots. And that's where I can actually, and I will generate the conversations for you, but I'm going to need time to learn ukuthi umuntu nomuntu eyedwa kulabantu laba ukhuluma kanjani. Okay, I did that. It's very easy to learn ukuthi umuntu ukhuluma kanjani and ukuthi like ube like yabo ukuthi umuntu yinto angayisho. For example, let me make an example of lento leyo ukuthi nginomfazi. It was very, very easy for people to believe it's him because in my opinion there is something he would say. He would be like nginomfazi. I'm not saying engaphika ingane, but he would be like mhlawumbe kwintombazane emfunayo ebe like nginomfazi. There is something he would say, you know. And when it comes to ama screenshots lawa engawa generator ngo-Wi-Fi, okay, it's like it's the language she would use if she's not Zulu. It's the language she would use if she goes like delete the post more Facebook. Does that sound familiar? Like, you know, delete the post more Facebook. I mean, like, obviously you guys are gonna be like, yeah, she's Tsonga, so this is what she's gonna say, but that's actually Sutu. That's not even Tsonga. That's actually Sutu. But then because Goli, and you know, people are gonna like believe that. And coming to ama screenshots lawa Omega Mnube, you know, I mean, like, let's be for real, guys. Omega has these lines that literally always eat. Ama lines I eat. I've been like watching before generating the screenshots to watch ama videos like, but yabo leya line leyana like angithuyaza ngihlangana shabuke. I mean, that line 8, it's more like fly as febe, you know. It's those kind of Naomi lines at 8. Okay, so I generated an Instagram convo between me and I. The deal was ukuthi mina ngizowabheka ama screenshots akhe ku social media mase wapostile ukuthi no, yeah, I mean, I had this conversation with Ubuhle because obviously where's mina wezeshuthi mina ngaze ngaba nale conversation. So mina I was going to be like, yeah, guys, yeah, I had a conversation lena lo Buhle na, and ngekathi ngiba nale conversation no Buhle ngamtshela ukuthi uwise mina kangazi, and I mean ngamtshela ukuthi uWiseman angiyazi address yakhe. And obviously if Ubuhle eba like to the media lo muntu lo yamazi uWiseman, naive people would believe because in tattoo yabo people would be like why vele engabhala umuntu angamazi, like the girl is not crazy, so why engenza leyo nto. Obviously truth bayazana and all that. So that was the whole idea. Okay, so ngam advisor Ubuhle wanted a screenshot kahle kahle is between yena and Wiseman, not the other people, not Omega Mncube, not Unoki, just me and Wiseman actually. Why phone screenshots between me and Wiseman because mina ngizodinga ukumbheka nasecourt myself for child maintenance ton ukuthi ena mina ngisho ukuthi no, mina ngiyazana no-Wiseman, and proof is nginayo i-tattoo yakhe. So mina nje ukuthi ngimfazele uBuhle, i-tattoo yami made me the best suitable candidate, because obviously the court was going to believe ukuthi since ngine-tattoo yakhe vele obviously ngiyamazi, and since I knew his past address, obvious abantu mina babezongikholwa uma ngithi ngiyamazi nani. So I was going to be like, yeah, ngiyamazi mina uWiseman, futhi le ntombazane nganginabo ngobusuku okwenzeka ngalo lento ye-one night stand nani. That was my part of everything. That was how everything was supposed to go. And feel free to give me all the lashback for helping uNobuhle. Njengoba nginipostele nesomza nobuhle ngizonipostela ne-account yakhe nayo yonke into. Ngisho ningasibeka kwi-podcast eyodwa so u2 njengoba sekuthiwa mina nje uNobuhle, anginandaba nokuthi kuthiwa imina uNobuhle, anginandaba no2 uNobuhle. Ngoba ngiyazi mina ukuthi I was so happy when Mr. Wiseman ethi ufuna ukuvula icala, because I was like, yeah, azofika amaphoyisa kumina and I'm going to tell the police what happened. Ngine-proof ngizoba nikeza ngisho ifoni yami. I'm gonna tell the police batshengise ukuthi yeah, it happened, mina ngamsiza uNobuhle kanje ngicela ukunithatha ngimise kaNobuhle, umuntu enimdinga kahle uNobuhle. Mina I can actually even sign state witness, because I'm pretty sure kuzofala i-lawsuit, ayikho i-case yokuthi umuntu cyberbullied you, like engenza umuntu eboshwe ejele, yeah, kuzofala like i-lawsuit. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna turn witness obviously if amaphoyisa efika. Oda sikho-ke lapho amaphoyisa awakafiki, sengiyasho nje simayifika, those are my plans. So naye uBuhle, because vele uzoyibona le video nabantu bakubo, ngicela ekulindele wonke lokho. Njengoba kade ngisasho, makwenzeka njalo, okay, ngimgenerate uBuhle lama-screenshots lawa, yabo, akhe no-Wiseman. First mistake I purposely make ukuthi ama-dates, yabo lento le ama-dates, ingakho ngithi akuna ama-fake accounts lawayana and ama-screenshots awekho generated. It's literally i-date ngiyakwazi ukuyi-create ukuthi i-date ifanele ibe kanjani. First thing I did was ukuthi kwi-date le ka-December lo apparently amitha angawo, angufaka ngo-2024 ngama-form for people to see. And enye into engayenza, I made ingane kaNobuhle ukuthi from le conversation njengoba ngiyisa date to date, by now obvious ingane kaBuhle kufanele ngabe inabo 3 months so, but no, I knew very well she was gonna get caught because ingane yakhe inabo 18 months mangaphosi, so 16 months I'm not sure, kodwa over 1 year old. So obviously abantu babezokwenza manga because lama screenshots approve ingane ena 3 months. That's the first thing I did. I advise uBuhle ukuthi no girl, why ungenzi like ama screenshots between wena no-wife khona ezothola i-public flashback yabo kube ngathi ukhulumela umuntu wakhe nani. And she was so excited ukuzwa leyo nto ukuthi yeah abantu bazongamfuni, people will hate her. But actually ngangenzela ukuthi when those screenshots go viral, uWiseman ezokwazi, because yabo if yena implicatesiwe kule nto no-wife akhe implicatesiwe, like his marriage won't get ruined because bobabili endlini bazobe bazi ukuthi this is fake. And I was like, yenza ama-screenshots fethu, ithi mina kwenza ama-screenshots phakathi kwakhe no-Omega, phakathi kwakho ukhuluma no-Omega, because nakhuluma no-Omega obviously kuzobonakala ukuthi wawulokhu richa fethu, ulokhu richa, awugcinanga ngokuricha kumina ngoba ngowethathu kuphela, because abantu bazokubuza ukuthi indaba uriche kumina ngibe ngingayena wakubo. Kanti no, what excited nalapho angifoqama, I'm sorry to say that she is very very stupid, izinto uyirealize late nalapho wa excited. Kanti mina I knew ukuthi obvious Omega akawazi ama-screenshots, so uzokwazi ukumbheka uWiseman ukuthi no, mina angiwazi lama-screenshots laba, I've never read them. And with the wife ngeke behlukane, because imagine ukube le nto lama-screenshots laba between uWiseman noBuhle kuphela, ukuthi how would the wife be feeling la khona. Wife will engage angazi, because ngibona ngathi ithi wife umbona, but it would be like, yeah, how would like if feel corner, because she was gonna be dramatic like you cheated on me, nani, who is this Mogel Slay and ton. And let's go back to the name Mogel Slay. Angazi why abantu lento bengayirealizanga, because I was hoping ukuthi mangithi mina again, okay, call yourself Mogel Slay. I think abantu abaningi bese watchile bad influencers, guys. Mogel Slay, like obvious guys, when there's Mogel and there's Slay, there's fake. Like I feel like abantu kumele understand that the name itself was a sellout. Ukuthi Mogel Slay. Mogel Slay sells fake Gucci bags. Obviously, the Facebook Mogel Slay is giving fake screenshots. When there's Mogel Slay, there's fake. You gotta know that, guys. And for future purposes, when there's Mogel and a Slay in the same sentence, it's already fake. Like fake Chanel, fake Gucci, fake Versace, fake Louis Vuitton. It's fake. So igama lilodwa was supposed to be like the biggest sellout, guys. And understand ukuthi abantu kwakwenza kanjani ukuthi nani niyagijima ngempela niyofollow i-account ebhala ukuthi Mogel Slay, no offense kodwa nani guys, nani nagijimayo ngempela-ke nayofollowa i-account ethi nje Mogel Slay. Hayi guys, let's be for real. Mina nje ngange ngifollow umuntu ekuthiwa Mogel Slay, cause when there's Mogel, there's fake, there's Mogel bad influencers. Kodwa ingenzeka ukuthi phela abantu bayibuki le Netflix series i-bad influencers. Kodwa sikho lapho ngintshengisa wonke ama-sellouts ukuthi wonke ama-loopholes. Let's go ukuthi mina nobuhle sixabana nini kule nto. Nina na-commenta ukuthi the child is 3 months, the child is 3 months. No can comment. And that's when Ubuhle realized ukuthi no man, this bitch screwed me over. She realized nje nami ngase ngizobona phela ngiyo yena ngeke ngibe ngalonde. She realized ukuthi why abantu lokho bethi ingane yami ina 3 months, because this child is supposed to be whatever days she said, whether she said 18 months, I'm not sure. Obviously I realized leyo nto nobuhle. How? Ebona ukuthi fuck, this bitch screwed me. Nobuhle usekhuluma nge-account yakhe noMogel Slay. Ungibiza nge-side chick. Fine. Sidlule lapho. Unobuhle futhi yena. Ungibiza ngani? Wathini? Oh, reveals i-address yami. My past address. Okay, fine. Saying nobuhle. Reveals like in le. Ngisho ukuthi ibizwa ngani lena? Oh, reveals i-address kaLandi. She knows ukuthi ubani ufika nini ngosuku oluthini. So I was so confused ukuthi why did wise men think unobuhle no Mogel Slay no Aliyah are connected people, because we were literally enemies with media. Like, yes, unobuhle no Mogel Slay no Aliyah are connected, but not when it comes to our accounts. Those 3 accounts are not even close to being connected. They are not even close. If wise men is saying lama fake screenshots are from accounts, upload my accounts and you want to my message. Because this is just made from an app. Ukuthi nje mawuhlakaniphile ukwazi ukuyisebenzisa le app, ukwazi ukusetshenziswa kanjani, and able to hide everything like lento yasebenzisa. And somehow wise men thinks lama screenshots are from an app efanele ngabe aka Facebook, it's Facebook Messenger. No, that's Insta Messenger, bruh. That's Insta Messenger. Obviously lapha ku Insta qhathanisa lapha ku Insta nakho, that's like Insta Lite Messenger. And I knew futhi ukuthi that would be a loophole for you, because there's no way a whole celebrity would be using Insta Lite instead of Insta. So you could have proved ukuthi no, mina anginawo leyo address, khona u-info lo khona nglawa ma-screenshots. While kodwa maqhathanisa no Insta lo wangempela awukho leyo info lokho nothola ku Insta Lite. So obviously ngeke like celebrity sebenzise face Insta Lite and all that, because you need all the edits you can get. Sidlule lapho. I totally agree with you. I helped build Mogel Slay. I helped with my technological information. I advised Mogel Slay until she screwed me over. Because until I screwed her over, until she realized the good thing, actually I betrayed her, and she decided to post about le case. She did what she promised, she delivered what she must. Yeah. So people, please stop fighting with wise men. I helped Mogel Slay create all the fake screenshots. I am Mogel Slay's helper. I, Aliyah Fuze, am Mogel Slay's helper. I am the one who helped her generate screenshots for her to post. All those screenshots are fake, created by me. If you don't believe me, I can teach you. All those screenshots are fake. She needed to get a baby daddy. She needed to pin, like, I understand what is jazzy. Why jazzy? Like, she was gonna get away to fake. I want my DNA test about demanding our screenshots. It's because in any public news or demand, because that's what she'll do. You'll go with every trend in Nina Naksas among us, Naubushe figures of Shesaki story, Nizo Kolwa Sona, Namang Shesami, Nitata Sona, no put my Shesake, Nizo Sata Sona. Like, no bani. For those kids who agreed to be Mogel Slay, they were paid. Those kids were paid. Those kids have nothing to do with Mogel Slay. They're literally just naive kids who were paid. And I can bring those kids live to tell you, Ugusi, they were paid to be Mogel Slay. They are not Mogel Slay. Just like I was threatened to be a helper to Mogel Slay. I was the only person who can make this possible. And I was the only person who can make this all go away. Just like now, I want all this to go away. Stop lashing back at Wiseman. He knows nothing about no kid. Ubuhle has her child as a Wiseman because Uchiko aboni. So yena, this was her way of forcing Wiseman. If Bengfuna seriously ukumsiza, I would have helped her ukuthi enze ama-root screenshots and hack Instagram account ka Wiseman. I didn't want that to happen, so I didn't. It's hard, but it takes time. Eventually it gets done. Eventually ngangizomthola umuntu ase-Joburg and my brother is from Johannesburg. I could have even gotten him ukuthi yeah yazi mfethu ngizodinga ukuthi ungithole ikhodi kanje. It was gonna happen with all the right resources ukube ngempela ingane engangifuna kube yakhe. Back to my tattoo, it's just a fan obsession guyzini. Ngiyanizwa senithi ngi-obsessed uBeyonce guyzini. uBeyonce guys wayezama ukubulala umakoti Nkosi yami. Sengithi uBeyonce lo sesilo obsessed wayezama ukubulala uBeyonce Nkosi yami makoti kamkhwenyana. Not she was never like coming after the husband like and kidnapper and dangerous nan. Oh, and back to my case njoba sengikhulumile kaWiseman and cleared the air and mawukuthini akho podcast and chill mina yakangikhontacta cause ukube ikhona ngangizofika nje ngikuthanda kabi nokukhuluma nje ukuthi ngangingafiki ngikuthanda kabi ukukhuluma nje ukuthi ngangingafiki ngangizofika nje futhi ngangizomtshela nje mina nje shame yabo ma ukuthi le case yami then lokho nithi I'm evil nan if niyani follower niza nase court nan then you should know ukuthi I am not someone okwazi ukuqamba amanga when caught into act. Once I get caught mina ngiyalikhuluma iqiniso even nakhona ecourt it's the judge herself actually owanqaba my guilty plea cabanga ngisho mina uthi yazini the jig is up I wanna get a guilty plea and I did a guilty plea. Yes banginikeza the wrong plea but as long as it was a plea ngivuma ukuthi yonke into yenzekile that's okay. Then just lasiyanqaba iplea yami because ngathi sengivuma nento engenziwa ngemini yathi angikhambi ngiyoqula and ngathi mase equla sengichaza usikwenzakaleni la ngifree judge cause it turned out ukuthi mina I actually had no hand naleyo yokuthi so I think mawalandela leyo case then you know what type of person I am. Mina mase ngimanjiwa ngiwaqamba amanga. Angiwaqamba amanga and ngiyayimela into engisuke ngishilo. Mina mase ngimanjiwa ngiwaqamba amanga. Yekela wonke lama live kade ngixabana kona nobuhle cause nakona angikaze like ngamkhipha ukuthi uMogal Slay ngaze ngayikhuluma indaba ama screenshots. Yekela wonke lama live lakade ngiwenza actually one live. But I feel like ingalenza iqiniso ngokwenza ivideo ngisho ukuthi the screenshots are fake angazi lutho ngawo. I should have just told the truth in the first place. But yeah, I mean like icala lumpi kwalizwe liyovala. But mina nje mase ngibanjiwe iqiniso ngiyalikhuluma. Njoba ngisho ukuthi nayo nobuhle ngingahamba shame ngiyatshengisa namaphoyisa kubo Mr. Wazman sevula icala. Ngizomkhipha nje mina nginalo igazi likanxese. Mina akekho nje umuntu engingamboshelwa I'm very young. I am very, very young. So now I'm ngiyomkhipha with free of charge, darlings. Yabo makuthiwa free of charge, ngiyomkhipha with free of charge mina. Back to my murder case. Le enhlalisa ngesinqa sodwa ukuthi nje makhulunywa ngayo you guys. She's really obsessed in a murder case. I don't like the fact ukuthi Mr. Wiseman ngenkathi drama allegations ukuthi mina ubuhle she kept on using my case nani for people to believe his side of the story. Yes, he's telling the truth mayethaga was ama screenshots but angikuthanda indlela avume ngayo. Yena he was supposed to say I keep on saying she as he was supposed to say I was not keep on using my mother case saying it was ugly number one hey akekho umuntu owaqotshwa afaka ku case mawusearcha you can see ukuthi akho umuntu owaqotshwa it's just cops akho umuntu owaqotshwa asiqale nje lapho. Number 2 I did not instigate any murder. Those people, mawulalindela kahle story, those people were accused of killing my father. Manje nalento ayishoyo ukuthi ubani accuse omunye ngokuthakatha. Hi, istory singekho. Hlale ngisho lento yestory singekho. Those people were accused of killing my father. Angiunderstanding noma mhlambe mina wami ubaba kwakumele efisa okwenja. Njoba bambulala baze bamkhipha amehlo. Kwakumele efisa okwenja mase kuphila kanjalo ngowami ubaba. So my mom was not supposed to avenge everything. And yabo lo mama lo athi ukhulume ngayo. lo omtshela ukuthi akangibophe. Yes, I know malume call me ngathi ukade ukhona ekhaya. Malume ngifonele ebusuku told me ukuthi ufikile wamtshela ukuthi mina ngenza ama screenshots ngawe wakuchazela indaba yama, even though engangichazelanga ukuthi uchaza ngale ndlela le wena okade usuchaza ngayo ku podcast. Wangitshana nana and he told me ukuthi advisile ukuthi go open a case against me. If I am really Mogel Slay, open a case. Because if you are wrongfully accused me, I am crazy. Yes, and consider looking na yazi nani nasikhathi for the fact ukuthi ngilokho ngigcwele nje kwama comments ngilokho nithi ngiyahlangana nani. I can even be more crazy ashamed when I'm wrongfully accused. But because njengamanje I know ukuthi I'm not being wrongfully accused. Yes, I am, but not like totally. I'm partially being wrongfully accused. I'm accused of being Mogel Slay, which I'm not. I am a helper to Mogel Slay. So actually, and lo kazungam lo kade uthi i-podcaster imfihle. Bro, that's Monday. I grew up with Monday. Guys, and show Monday. That's my cousin Monday. That's like my male cousin Monday. Number one, Monday kulanga nae, but then it's fine because we spent some years together. That's Monday. Monday literally told me it was him. That was Monday. And even if I didn't know who's Bulgarian, it's easy to see in the Balukas on Monday. That's my family, bro, not yours. That's Monday. And if I may ask you, Mr. Wiseman, do you seriously believe Uguti, if Jobu Malumami eti go and arrest me, do you seriously believe Uguti one day he would give you a gun and tell you to shoot me? Just ask yourself that question. Ukuthi why is this family belokhu bedayisana kanje? Belokhu bedayisana. Mina onjengomuntu owadayisa usisi wakhe azalwa naye emaphoyiseni. Usisi wakho kade mondlela ingane, ukade bondlela bonke ingane, wamdayisa emaphoyiseni wakhomba imoto yakhe. You cannot tell me ukuthi umuntu loyo uzuthi manje usisi wakhe lo. Manje usisi wakhe kuningi asekwenzile lokho ocatha ukuxoxela kona kancane kuningi vela asekwenzile. Number one, he is the prime suspect in killing my dad. My own uncle is the prime suspect. But yeah, angithi vele umuntu okuhlale kuyena okhuluma iqiniso okuhlale kuzothi uyahlanya because vele nihlale niprotecta ama shady deeds zenu kodwa ayikho ke inkinga. Mina I'll forever stand for my truth, whether ningibiza ngespoki nithi ngisilwane nithi ngiyahlanya. Ubaba wami wayengayona inja ekwakumele ifikisha amehlo kuphele kanjalo. Ubaba wami was not a dog. Mina I love my mother. I will forever love my mother. And you, my brother, you overstepped when you mentioned that when your war is with me, not with Slindile Zamisa. Your war is with me and me alone. She did nothing to you. She absolutely did nothing to you. So I was the instigator. My mom did nothing to you. I am the one who did something to you. I am the one who helped to ruin your reputation. Not my mom. She didn't deserve the again. She doesn't deserve it. She will never deserve it. But yeah, abanye bacabanga ngendlela cause angithi apparently because she's a mother, she deserves it. It's fine. People will think whatever they want to think. But you overstepped. You literally overstepped what you did. It was actually a low blow, if you ask me. Attacking me with my mom, that was a low blow. You could have done better. That was a low blow, Shane. It was a low, hurtful blow, but I don't care about it. And in dangerous, I know my mates. I know which war I can handle. I know which war I can't handle. And I'll be honest with you, I can never handle a war with you. Yes, maybe I can handle a social media war because but if it really came to like real homicidal war, I can already tell Uguti, I can never handle it with you. Yes, I would never give up. I would never go down without a fight, but I know that I will go down. So that's why I'm not willing to fight with you. I will never be willing to fight you. I feel like maybe it's because I'm not a feminist. I have this certain respect for men when it comes to war. I would never challenge you to a war zone. I will not afford to have war with you. So my sincere apologies for being a part of Mogel Slay's plot. But what you did to my mom, what you did about the murder case in Jobaga to look involved, because when your podcast was no longer about Mogel Slay, your podcast was about me. If you ask me, I just think it's a new way of doing the content lately, because there's no really you without me lately, so everyone is just interested in the beef, I guess. But yeah, I'm not saying you were doing content in Gabi. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry to you. I'm very sorry to your brother. I'm very sorry to your wife. But I did everything I did to destroy you but protect you at the same time. I gave you so many loopholes. I don't know why ungawathathanga. I gave you so many loopholes. And okay, fine. I told Ubuhle that I was gonna arrest her because she's my girl slave, and she ran to you and told you, Ubuti, I'm not gonna reply to your text because what? Ngifuna attention yakho. Bro, getting a tattoo was enough attention I could get from you. Getting the tattoo was enough attention. I didn't need any attention. Actually, I don't think you understand that. I don't need a chance at love from you. I don't need it. I don't need to be loved by you. I don't yearn to be loved by you. I actually right now hate to even fight with you. I actually hate you. But yes, you don't care, but I actually hate you. I hate what you... Actually, I hate what you did to my mom. You should have fought with me. Yabo keep on mentioning Yazi. It was so hurtful, Uguti, because of people that aliens way me again. My mom keeps on being mentioned too, slew. My family. Every time I flop, people just use my family. But yeah, it's fine. Hari. It's fine. I hope this whole video clears your reputation. Because the reputation you took from me is never coming back. Everyone will now always see me as a monster. Yet, I feel like a victim. People were killed in front of me in the name of honoring my father. My mom basically forced me to mop blood off the floor. But because I got no one backing me up besides her, I was going to help her. She's the only person who's always been on my side. And I told that to the court. I told that to the court over and over. I agreed my parts in all of this. I told them that I was an accomplice. But they still decided to acquit me because they could see what was happening. I was a 12-year-old, for goodness sake. I don't know how you'll think I was going to instigate a murder at the age of 12. Like, use your common sense. Seriously, use your common sense. How my mom is that crazy ukuthi mouse bananyathagatha naye mase yavuka yochamithatha le story sayenze sense kodwa wena mouses ma uyathakatha usibani. And for the record, me and my friend were never enemies. This happened while we were friends. I am still mourning her death. But don't get me wrong, guys, every day about what happened. I'm not going to be getting face wrinkles because of some dead people. I'm so sorry to be insensitive. Already more guys. So real life doesn't move on for me. No, guys, it can never happen, shame. It won't happen, actually. It will never. So call me a monster all you like. Call me crazy. But call me crazy. But I will not act like a saint. 90% of they act to be safe, they act to be doing the right thing. I'm gonna be real with you. I am not a saint. Instead, I'm named as a devil. I'm named as John Wick because yeah, man. Mina, you will not attack me kuphela vele kanjalo, but ngeke ngize ngi-act into engaona. And angifuna uqabanga noma ngizothi ngingane engahloniphi ngokumention ubaba uMkhwanazi naye futhi musani ukuthi mina ngahlula uMkhwanazi wena wawuyini ke. Stop twisting my words. Mina ngisho njalo. Mina ngangithi ngahlula uMkhwanazi ezama ungidumisa indaba yakhe yangafika ndawo because naye wangibhala emaphepheni, but still abantu abayibonanga leyo. That what I was telling Mogul Slave ukuthi naye into yakhe ngeke iziye ndawo. Apparently yena waba nenhlanhla ke it went somewhere. Oh, and Mr. Sauls, I heard Uguti said I put in a lot of work into this craft. Oh no, I didn't, love. I didn't, Mr. Sauls. I didn't put a lot of work into this craft. It only took me 10 minutes, actually. It was just a simple thing to do. Even you could do it if I was given a chance to teach you, or anyone else for that matter. I can usually teach you, but please be warned, it's wrong. If you're going to use lezinto for the wrong reasons, it can literally commit suicide. Seriously, commit suicide. Reputation and it's said it was used as a scapegoat to go again. So I woke up when yeah. okunye guys noma ningathi mina ngihloniphi nani ebafethu mina angincenge umuntu ukuthi engivotele makuphuma o-TV awards o-music awards nani nizohlonishwa encenga amavoteni mina nje mawuthi ufuseke nami ngizofuseke mawuthi uyahlanga nami uyahlanga mina ufuseke nje Nkosi yami anginincengile mina nje ukuthi nize ningivotele nani so mina it's either you like the real me that I am or you don't like me at all kuyayifanela kumina akwenzi imehluko mina if you are kind to me I'm kind to you I feel like nama comments indlela ongaphendula ngawo is proof mawubhala comment right nami ngiphendula ngendlela right futhi mabhala lokusangana kweni nalokusutha kweni lokho enikubhala kwi comment section yami nami ngizokuphendula ukusutha kwami nami ngizokuphendula ukusutha yes I'm young I'm 17 okusala ngizokuphendula ukusutha kwami nina you'll want to be respected by kids but you can't respect nina nicathi nizofika uzothi uyahlanya lo mayisethi yebo baba ngathi niyasiphakela hayi uyahlanya lo nawe uyahlanya wethu 1970 wethu 19 ba uyahlanya nawe uyahlanya uzoyocomment endabeni wahlanyela nawe ubona abantu abahlanya ngobani uzobona abantu abahlanya ngobani wena uyenzele nje ethathu uyahlanya wena nawe uyahlanya wena ubungayenzi ingane mayibhoda umzimba wami Nkosi yami ubungayenzi ingane nawe uyahlanya nalokho nizodelela la ku comment section ama 90s nama 2K lokho nizodelela la ku comment section nizolindela ukuthi mina ngithule nginganenzi lutho ngithule nithi uyahlanya lo ngithule nawe uyahlanya mina akho umuntu engimncengile la ngincenge ukuvotelwa yini phela mina makuphela unyaka mina nje makufika ama awards angincenge votelwa yini nangincenge ingoma ezovota ukuthi ihlukanise new year ngincengile nje kahle angincenge ukuthandwa yini mina ngithanda ongithandayo ongithandayo ngiyamthanda futhi ongizonda ufokofu nje futhi angilindele umuntu mina yabo lento ukuthi futhi mangiphuma la lokho enithi nangu wise man manibona mina nani lokho enhlini mina ngilindele nje uzongiqinisela ubuso kenje angilindele umuntu nje uzongiqinisela ubuso mina because yabo njengoba sengisichazisa le story sami niyothi umuntu elifanele ezekhipha ukuhlanya kwakhe bekwenaka ukuthi ama video monke ngifike ngiwaqale kahle mase ngiyadinwa ekugcineni mase ngiyaveza kumina because nivele ningicike because ngivele ngicabanga izinto enivele enzenze kwama comment section niyathanda nokucommenta kwama one sided story niyathanda nokucommenta kwama one sided story I am basically asking you nobuhle vele uzofika neside lakhe alazi yedwa naye ningalokhe nisunamanga nayi side lakhe only the law can prove who's lying and who's not bandla ngicela nikunderstand lokho ngicela understand fine ngiyahlanya ngokwenza i-tattoo kusho vele kuqala ngami ukuthanda icelebro lo yabuda akayenzanga i-tattoo la Chris Brown lo munye akayenzanga i-tattoo ka MT lo munye akayenzanga i-tattoo ka Kabza the Small lo munye akayenzanga i-tattoo ka Drake kwa Drake uhlala i-tattoo kwamanye ama celeb umhlana wakugcila ama celeb baningi abantu abanama tattoo ama celeb kodwa ngoba yenziwe mina worst person ngibhale ngisho amagama angenzanga ngisho ubuhle but because kwenziwa umuntu esifazane it was wrong it's obsession nani kodwa makwenziwa umuntu wesilisa ku right you know why it's because ni bias mina akazi niyancetheza kwabantu besilisa ngazi noma like kwenzalani kodwa niyancetheza nje kubaba bethu nina niyancetheza because kwenziwa umuntu esilisa oh my god wow he's so beautiful he's such a big fan but when it's a woman oh no she's obsessed she's dangerous she can kidnap you where kidnap my foot mina ngiyokidnap ibillionaire makufanele ngeke nje guysini nalapho singeke ngikidnap yazi kuyisicefe kanjani for sure kulokho ubheka umuntu ukuthi udlile yini nani indleko nje anginangane because ngibalekela zona zonke ezindlela manje kidnap umuntu ngizomondla ikhipha ngami nemali yokuzondla mina Nkosi yami guys but kukho konke phakathi kwase South Africa nokuthi makhona amazwe angaphandle arishele yonto to translate Cupcake fellow South Africans I sincerely apologize about all the drama caused by my work with social media. I didn't manage to get this far. I know my work would get this far. I sincerely apologize. I promise to never allow i-craft yami ukuthi yenziwe kanje isabotage omunye umuntu. It's never gonna be used again actually. I'm never gonna do this for another person again. Vele I have nothing to hide. Ayikunto umuntu asezongithreatenisha ngayo. It's never gonna happen again. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu ukuthi i-craft yami i-affecte i-career yomuntu, i-affecte iy'mpilo zabantu. I'll make sure next time ukuthi angiphinde ngiyithole esimeni esikanje. Ngiyaxolisa kuwo wonke umuntu o-affectekile ngalento nemphathe kabi. Ningangibulali Nkosi yami. Ngizule kusana ngifuna ungibulala ningangibulali Nkosi yami. I'm very very young. Nizogijima nithi lo wambulala cha guys nani niyazani naye profile yonke kube ngambulala ngabe Nkosi yami ngagwetshwa nami kanye nabagwetshwa. Nani niyazani naye profile yonke guys so asiphume nje lo asiphumene endabeni icase yami naye profile simple measure, just into simple. Babulala ubaba, uma did what she had to do. And it may not because I'm a reasonable person. I'm working with law enforcement to solve my father's case. Since the day Nzega was started, since the woman that died confessed, it was very wrong. If ingane yakhe ishone ingane yakhe, it was very, very wrong. Ngiyazi futhi into yasiphazamisa kakhulu leyo South Africa. It was my friend as well. Kwakukubi kakhulu ukuthi kwenzeke, kodwa njengoba sazi ukuthi izono zabazali ziyawela ey'nganeni, nami ezabazali bami sezawela. It was wrong ukuthi yenziwe as collateral damage. That was a monstrous I don't know, action, I guess. Isenzo futhi singaxoleleki kakhulu. I don't expect forgiveness from abantu. Machine not asking for forgiveness. My father was also killed. Wakhishwa amehlo kodwa nathula. Kodwa indlela engikwazi ngayo ukukhuluma iyathusa. Kodwa sikho-ke lapho. Anyways, this is guys. Ngiyazi aningibuzanga. Chabuk. So I'm on a vacation. Deal with everything when ngingathini sengibuyile, like at home, I guess. I'm literally enjoying this place. It's amazing. Ngeke ngikhiphe location yami ngaze ngingi-attack.